Hi, I'm Cory Meixner. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and I've practiced with the Community Physician Network since 2025. I had a sports-related injury in high school that kind of exposed me to the medical profession. So that experience, having surgery in high school, really opened my eyes to the impact that skilled, compassionate care can have on an individual's life. I am an orthopedic surgeon, so that means that I have a general understanding of all things bone, muscle, tendon throughout the body, but then I have further fellowship training in sports medicine orthopedics as well. I think there are two unique aspects of myself that can help me build rapport with my patients, both in the orthopedic and sports medicine world. As a former collegiate athlete, I think I have intimate knowledge of what athletes and active individuals are going through when they have an injury. I also am a first-generation Filipino-American, and I think that unique perspective helps to allow me to assimilate and better understand and build rapport with patients of diverse multicultural backgrounds. So ultimately, I provide options. I don't provide a given solution. It's just a matter of kind of what is best for this patient where they are in their life. What motivates me and gets me through the door and into work every day is the ability to really move the needle for my patients and allow them to get back to the things that bring them joy and the things that they love. So restoring function, restoring quality of life, all of those things, and being a small part in their journey towards accomplishing that goal. That's what I find most fulfilling about orthopedics. Outside of work, I enjoy spending time with my family. So my wife and I just welcomed our newborn son. So that's kind of occupying a lot of our time presently. We also have a Border Collie Spaniel mix who is very energetic and requires a lot of attention and outdoors activities. So those occupy a lot of my time, but my wife and I, we enjoy traveling, we enjoy craft beer and going to breweries and kind of being outdoors, taking it all in. I'm Cory Meixner. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and I've practiced with the Community Physician Network since 2025.